What's in their fridge? Tortillas, sugar-free cinnamon cupcakes, milk, sugar-free lemonade, and water and stuff like that. And okay. Let's see. Sugar-free, mustard, soy sauce, spicy brown. Ooh. Ooh. I bought this the other day. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, someone gave me that to me. I don't use that. Oh, yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, what's this behind here? Ooh. Uh-oh. What's down here? Stir fry. Okay, that's more soy sauce. Oh, wait a minute. I'm trying to hold the door open and do this at the same time. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Can't wait to make my hot wet legs. Okay, what I do with that hot sauce down there, that hot wing sauce, I take chicken legs and I make hot wings. I mean, not hot wings, but hot legs. I call them hot legs. Anyway, that's all in my refrigerator. What's up here? Okay, I'm doing, trying to eat one of these a day, so I'll do my diet plan, so. Oh, yeah, what's this? Oh, yeah. Oh, sugar-free popsicles. Okay, that's it. Okay. Wonder if I got enough paper plates. It looks like I'm almost out of paper plates. Do I got paper plates? Oh, look at all them paper plates back there. I got enough. Okay, that's it. Bye.